Hello everyone and welcome back to WP Food Manager. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn together how to make food listing and selling website in WordPress. So guys, if you are interested, let's without losing time, move forward to our tutorial. So guys, what actually does food listing mean? Food listing refers to the process of creating a comprehensive catalog or inventory of various food items or dishes. It involves showcasing the different types of foods along with their images, prices, or other relevant details. So guys, you can see that this is our food listing and now we're going to create a new one. For that, we need to go to our WP Food Manager dashboard at the back end. So this is it. And here at the left sidebar, we have our pages section. We need to go there and add a new page. So this is our pages. We need to add a new one. First, guys, we need to add a page name. So let's name it like just by food listing. Okay, and here we're going to paste a short code that we have prepared beforehand. Let's paste it right here. This is our short code, and we're going to publish it. Okay, let's view the page. Okay, guys, here we can see our page name. It was food listing, and this is our food listing page. So this is how you can create a food listing page. So my dears, this was it for our food listing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you will have any questions concerning to our video or our product, you know that you are free to ask them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and also hit the notification bell. See you in the next tutorial.